In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Calendar schedule link 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean link you can share so people can pick a time with you that automatically shows up on your calendar. Start by heading to Google and signing in to the account you use for scheduling. In the top right, open the Google Apps grid and choose Calendar. If you're already inside Calendar, you're good to go. A quick tip before we continue, make sure you're in the correct account and that your time zone is accurate, so the times people see are correct. Inside Google Calendar, look to the left-hand side panel. Find the section labeled Booking Pages. Depending on your layout, you may need to expand the panel to see it. Booking Pages is where Google stores your appointment schedules. If you've already set up a schedule, you'll see it listed there. Select the meeting appointment you want to share. This is the specific booking page that controls the duration, availability, and other details for your meeting. Once you're viewing that booking page, look for the option to copy the link. Click Copy Link. You should see a small confirmation that the link is copied to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it into an email, a message, your website, or your social profiles. It's a good practice to paste the link into a new private browser window and test it as a guest just to make sure it shows the right time zone and available slots. There's also another quick way to grab your schedule link directly from your calendar. Go back to your main calendar view and click on the appointment schedule that appears on the calendar grid. When the event card opens, choose Preview to see what invitees will experience. In the top right corner of that preview, click Share, then select Copy Link. This route is especially handy when you're already reviewing your calendar and need the link fast without navigating the sidebar. A few practical tips as you share your link. Consider adding it to your email signature, pinning it in chat, or saving a snippet so you can paste it quickly. If someone says they can't find a time, double check that your availability in the schedule isn't blocked by other events and that your working hours and time zone are set correctly. That's it. You now have a Google Calendar schedule link ready to share, whether you grabbed it from Booking Pages or from the appointment preview. Save it somewhere handy and you'll never have to play calendar tag again.